Hi everyone, and welcome back to She's in the Kitchen. So for today's video, I'm super excited to share this recipe with you guys. I found this recipe on Instagram. It is this delicious caramelized ground turkey. I'm super excited to share it with you guys because it's easy, budget friendly, and it has minimal ingredients. So if you guys are ready, let's get into it. Ingredients: 1 yellow onion, brown sugar, minced garlic, fish sauce, and ground turkey. This is optional. I will be using some Thai chili peppers as well as some green onion for garnish. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut up our onion. And we also wanna cut up our Thai chili peppers. Into a pan, we're gonna add some olive oil. We're gonna let that heat up for a little bit. Okay, once our oil is a little bit hot, I'm gonna go ahead and add the minced garlic. I'm going to saute the minced garlic until it gets fragrant. All right, after a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and add our minced onion. I'm going to saute our onion for about 2 minutes or until they get golden brown. Once our onions are nice and golden, we're gonna go ahead and add the ground turkey. Okay, you wanna go ahead and break up the turkey, the ground turkey. Okay, once your ground turkey is all broken up, we're gonna let it cook halfway through, and then we're gonna add our sugar, fish sauce, and the Thai chili peppers. All right, it's been about 2 minutes and the ground turkey is about halfway cooked through. So this is where I'm gonna go ahead and add brown sugar, fish sauce, and the Thai chili peppers. Gonna give this a good mix. Once you've gave everything a good mix, we're gonna leave it alone for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a good mix again. Now we're gonna go ahead and leave it untouched for another 2 minutes and wanna spread it around to give it a good sear. All right, it's been about 2 minutes again, and I'm gonna go ahead and give this another good mix. Okay, so the ground turkey looks like it's done, but I want it to be a little bit more seared, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it untouched for 2 more minutes. Okay, I'm gonna give this another mix. And I don't know if you guys can tell or if you could see through the camera, but it looks more golden and more seared, so this is perfect for me. And here also you want to check if you would like to add maybe some salt or some soy sauce to it. That's completely optional. I tried mine and it tastes super good without salt or soy sauce. And now your caramelized ground turkey is ready to be served. Okay, let's give our caramelized ground turkey a taste test. I added some green onion for garnish, and I added a little bit more of the Thai chili peppers because I love my food spicy. You don't have to add any extra, or you don't have to add them at all. So let's give this a taste test. Okay, this recipe is absolutely delicious. I highly recommend it. It is sweet, it is salty, it's spicy, and all of those flavors for some reason just work so well together. Again, highly recommend this recipe. Well, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. I absolutely loved all the flavors that we incorporated into this ground turkey. I do love fish sauce. I know sometimes fish sauce can be a little bit overwhelming or overpowering, but adding that brown sugar, in my opinion, I feel like it balanced out so well that the fish sauce doesn't come through as much because of the brown sugar. I also love this recipe not only because it's easy and quick and has minimal ingredients, but it's also budget friendly. I know right now that things are pretty expensive, and we all kind of want to try to keep our costs down. So this is such a great budget friendly meal. I paired mine with just simple white rice and it just turned out so good. It's also a recipe for busy moms or those corporate girlies on the go. You can also meal prep this recipe. So again, I highly recommend this recipe. I will leave all of the ingredients and the measurements down below in the description box. I will also tag the person of where I found this recipe. Please, please, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye everyone.